Can you manifest what you want through negative emotion? Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome back to my channel. This is Priya, your manifestation coach. Happy New Year. Today we are signing in from St. Bart's. And in this video, I am going to break down if you can manifest your desired reality, although you are feeling negative emotion. But first, if you would like to get coached by me, I offer an online course, Manifest Your SP Mastery, where I show you step by step exactly how to manifest a version of your specific person that you desire. I also offer monthly membership coaching. This is where you can get live coaching with me on a weekly basis to really stay on top of your manifestation game. And finally, I also offer one-on-one coaching to help you manifest anything that your heart desires. You can get access to any of these offerings by simply clicking the link below in the description box. Okay, let's get back to this video. Can you manifest what you want through negative emotion? The simple answer to this is yes. And you know, for me personally, this has been an evolution on my journey, because you know, some of you have been looking back at my old videos where I talk about like being high vibrational, and which just means like feeling good and feeling positive emotions to manifest. And that was sort of at the beginning of my journey, which did work for me personally. But now I understand it's because of the law of assumption. That was my assumption, right? That, oh, if I feel really good, then I'm going to like manifest what I want. But the truth is, you don't need to be feeling positive emotion to manifest what you want. At least at this stage in my evolution and in my growth, I now understand from where I am right now, and it might shift, that the law of assumption transcends everything. That your awareness is really your superpower. That your I am transcends everything. Your awareness is your superpower. Right? Who you are conscious of being is your superpower. Your awareness transcends your thoughts and transcends your emotion. When you tap into your I am, you are practicing being God of your reality. You are practice being the operant power of your reality. So let me explain. All you have to do in order to manifest anything that you desire is to think as if you are the version of you that has your manifestation. Let's take an example. Let's say that you want to manifest a specific person, a relationship with them. So let's say your affirmation is, me and my specific person are in a happy, committed relationship. Let's keep it really simple. You can apply this to anything else that you want to manifest: the car, the house, the money. It's the same principle. So once you have curated your affirmation, all you have to do is saturate your mind with your end. So this means you keep affirming, me and my specific person are in a happy, committed relationship. And anytime you think about your specific person, you're going to practice thinking about them from this point of view, that me and my specific person are in a happy, committed relationship. And anytime you catch yourself thinking a negative thought about them, such as, oh, he's such an arsehole, he said this to me yesterday, he did this to me last week, you're simply not going to dwell there. You're going to self-correct that thought and redirect it to the end. Actually, no, me and my specific person are in a happy, committed relationship. Now, when this new thought becomes a dominant thought within you, your subconscious mind must produce proof of this to you in your 3D reality. This is when you will manifest the version of your specific person that you desire. It is that simple. Like at its core, at its foundation, manifestation is that simple. You can also manifest what you want by simply affirming just once, but that will only happen if you have zero opposing thoughts, right? And for most people, we have opposing thoughts, so we're going to have to affirm a lot more than once. Now, where does emotion fit in with this? Well, this is the thing that you want to remember. Your emotions are a manifestation of your thoughts, right? So first, you think a thought, which then generates an emotion. So when you begin to think a new thought, when you begin to think from the end, initially, you're not going to feel it. It's going to feel like this isn't true, this is fake. That's normal. But what you want to understand is the more you persist with this new thought, the more you saturate your mind with this new thought that implies your end, me and my specific person are in a happy, committed relationship, you will naturally manifest emotions that are equivalent to that thought. Okay, you will naturally begin to feel a lot calmer or satisfied. Some of you might feel joy, you might feel elation, and for some of you, it might be that you just feel more calm or more satisfied, or that suddenly you don't feel stressed or you don't feel worried. But this is something that will happen naturally. You don't need to force the positive emotion. Now, for some people, you can be stressed, feeling anxious, you can be crying your eyes out, but if you keep your thoughts in check, no matter what you are feeling, if you keep your thoughts in check, meaning you are thinking, me and my specific person are in a happy, committed relationship, and you're crying through it, but you're still keeping your thoughts in check, you're not letting your thoughts derail because, you know, SP in the 3D told you that they want nothing to do with you. You're not thinking, oh my God, SP doesn't love me, SP doesn't want me, I'm not good enough, I'm not lovable. Like you don't think those thoughts. You keep your thoughts in check, although you're upset, although you're crying, you will still manifest what you want. Your subconscious mind produces proof of the dominant story that you're telling, regardless of the emotion that you are feeling. Now, Is this something that I promote? No, I certainly don't promote, hey, feel shit and manifest what you want. Absolutely not. That is not something that I promote. Why? Because feeling good dictates the quality of your life. So what I want for every single one of you is for you guys to be thinking from your end, and for you to naturally manifest an emotion where you feel a lot more calm and confident within yourself, where you feel satisfied, because that's going to increase the quality of your life, right? Feeling good for the sake of feeling good, or feeling good because you're thinking a good feeling thought, that's a win, right? I mean, somebody could argue that's true success, because depending on how you define success here, and for me it is like quality of life, in terms of like the thoughts that I'm thinking and the emotions that I'm feeling, but ultimately it is not necessary to be, feeling high vibrational and needing to be feeling like joyful and ecstatic in order to manifest what you want. You can absolutely be feeling anxious and crying, but keep your thoughts in check, and you will still manifest what you want, right? And for some people, that's just where they are on their journey, right? That is just where they are on their journey, that they are feeling anxious, they are feeling triggered, but they keep their thoughts in check and they still get what they want. And that's okay. That's okay. That's okay if that is where you are, right? For some people, the only thing that they can control is the thoughts that they're thinking, but the anxiousness and the anxiety hasn't gone away yet. And that's okay. That's something that you can absolutely work on if you choose to, right? After you manifest what you want. So my message is, you don't have to be high vibrational or feeling positive emotion in order to manifest, although that is a better way to manifest. The second thing that I want to reiterate is that your emotions are a manifestation of the thoughts that you are thinking. So when you begin to think from your end, you will naturally manifest an emotion that is equivalent to that without you trying or without you forcing it. However, for some people, that is not the case. For some people, they are still anxious, stressed, and worried, but it doesn't matter. If you keep your thoughts in check and you keep thinking from the end, no matter what, your subconscious mind will still produce proof to you of the dominant thoughts that you are thinking, because your awareness, meaning who you're conscious of being through the thoughts that you're thinking, your awareness transcends everything. Okay, your I amness is your God state, and that transcends everything, which is what you are aware of is more important really than what you are feeling, one could say, in the sense of that's really the thing that's like doing the manifesting, is like what you are aware of. But in terms of quality of life, you absolutely want to be feeling good for yourself. You want to be feeling satisfied, free and happy, like for yourself, right? For the quality of your life. But again, if you're somebody right now who's stressed about like, oh my God, I need to be high vibrational, I need to be feeling good in order to manifest what I want. No, you don't. You just need to keep your thoughts in check. That's it. Just think from the end. Now, what I will also mention is some of you who have been commenting under my old videos, and you can ask me, Priya, can you please explain? In your old videos, you're talking about like feeling good and being high vibrational. Yes, this is the way that I used to manifest, because that is where I was on my journey at that point in time. But as mentioned, I have evolved. What I share has evolved, and my current understanding is that my I amness transcends everything, and my awareness is my superpower, and that ultimately what I am aware of is what I am giving life to, and that's the only thing that matters. I do like to feel good for myself because it improves the quality of my life, but at the same time, I embrace the whole spectrum of the human emotions. I tend not to dwell in negative emotions or negative thoughts. Like if I'm mad, I don't dwell in it, but I absolutely have human moments. I absolutely still do get triggered, or even react. But I'm just compassionate with myself about everything. And I don't make it like my dominant state to be like constantly triggered or constantly in a negative mood, right? That's not my dominant state. And that's my message to you, right? This isn't about being perfect. It's just about being consistent. You want your dominant state to be that of well-being, that where you feel calm and relaxed and confident about life. But it's not about being perfect. It's not about never being triggered. Like anyone who's up here sharing this information who says like they're never triggered or they never experience contrast, that is a lie. We are all human. We are here in the 3D having a human experience. So let's stop judging negative emotions. you know, it's just all part of the human experience. Be kind to yourself, be compassionate towards yourself. That is the best practice of self-love ultimately. You know, that is truly unconditional love, when you can love all versions of you, you can be compassionate with all versions of you, and just really ride this wave of this human experience. So to recap, you can still manifest exactly what you want, even if you are feeling negative emotion, even if you're feeling stressed, anxious, or worried. You can still manifest what you want by simply keeping your thoughts in check, by simply thinking from your end, no matter what you are feeling, because your awareness is what brings life to everything. Your I am transcends your emotions, transcends your thoughts. Your I amness is your superpower. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. I appreciate you. Have a wonderful day or a wonderful evening. Mwah.